If you have a squeaky dryer that sounds like this, I'm going to show you how to replace the main rear bearing to fix it. If this video helps you, please help me by clicking the subscribe button. Start by unplugging the power and pulling the unit from the wall.
The back of the dryer we have 2 screws, one there and one there. If you have a square bit, that'll work better, but if you don't, Phillips will do as well.
Use a pry tool to lift the top off its front clips.
Pull up.
You can now lift the back up. I'm just going to lean the top against the side of the unit without trying to unhook the electrical connectors. But we do need to unhook the electrical connector that leads to the front of the dryer. We will cut this zip tie and put a new one on when we are finished.
2 screws in here to remove the front cover, one on each side.
Using the same pry tool, pull the front cover from its clips on each side. Now the bottom lifts up and out. Two screws to remove this back panel.
To remove this belt, I'm going to push this idler over, and then we can slide it off the motor. And now it's loose. I'm going to remove this front support, pull that up. To remove this drum, we need to pull it up and then out because there's a little ball that's riding inside the bearing. So pull it up, and there's it out of the ball. And now work my way out.
Now is a great time to clean out the inside of your machine.
To replace this, we're now going to go inside the drum. Remove these 3 screws. This is 5/16. So there's no lubricant in it anymore. In fact, I can hardly move that. There, I broke it loose with the bearing balls. Definitely scratchy.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but I wanted to let you know that I have partnered with Super Clean. And if you hit that subscribe button right now, you're going to be entered for a chance to win a gift basket of cleaning products from them. So what do you have to lose? Click that subscribe button and help me out. Thanks.
We're going to go ahead and install the new one of these with brand new screws. New screws have washers on them. Stick a screw through. Yeah.
Then we attach the new piece to the back side of the drum.
And I'm not going all the way tight because I have to get the rest of the screws in. To install the ball bearing, we need to open the lubricant that came in this kit. Put it right there. We're going to stick that ball bearing right down in there. That's going to hold it in place. Now it won't fall out. using new screws. Go ahead and stick those through there. Standing up here. Put this in. Go ahead. These bumps go out.
This is 5/16.
And now we just squeeze a whole bunch of lubricant right in here. I'm gonna lift up and then push it down into there. Yeah, I fixed it. Oops. Alright. Went ahead and reinstalled that. We want to get this belt lined up in the exact same spot that it was before. Get the belt on the motor. Scoot that tensioner aside. Get it back on there. Move this around a little bit to get it lubricated. Don't forget to add a new zip tie that keeps this wire harness away from your drum. And after this, assembly should be the reverse of removal.
All fixed. No more squeaking noise. I hope this video helped you. If it did, would you mind helping me by clicking the subscribe button? We are a family of 6 living our best life on 90 acres in the Ouachita Mountains of Arkansas. And every time someone hits that subscribe button, it helps grow our channel. We appreciate you.